Hi. I have a zone system with separate O and B wires and my new Wi-Fi thermostat, a single connection for O/B/W.
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Has.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I thought that it would be a simple replacement wire for wire.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
You'll have to get a tech to figure it out. Smile.
Hi, I am Dan. I can help you with this. If you have an O and a B wire on your thermostat, that means you have a nuke zone system and you are working on the master thermostat. With Uke system you need a thermostat that has a separate O and B terminal, or install a selector switch on the system, which is more complicated. Let me know if you have any more questions about it or if that answers it for you.
Hi Dan. You guessed it right. I'm the lucky owner of an EWC controller. I want to install a smart/Wi-Fi thermostat, but I can't find one that works on this stupid system.
For Uke thermostats I use Pro IAC brand thermostats. They make Wi-Fi thermostats that will work with your system.
Can you recommend a model? To be compatible with my smart house system, it has to be compatible with either Wink or SmartThings Hub. Either Wi-Fi or zwave would work.
I am away from my computer right now, but I will do some research on it later and give you some recommendations. Either the Pro IAC T701i or the T855i will work with your Uke system and our Wi-Fi thermostats. The smart home system should be able to work with all Wi-Fi thermostats, but I would check with the manufacturer of the smart home system. The only other option would be installing a selector switch on your system that you could have to switch every time you want to go from heating to cooling.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.